Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the maths exam. First, let's talk about getting organized. It's super helpful to start planning at least 2 weeks before your exam. Begin by making a clear study schedule, dedicating specific times each day to maths. Also, take a moment to pinpoint those tricky topics you struggle with, perhaps from old homework or quizzes. Gathering all your textbooks and notes beforehand will save you valuable time later on. Now, let's dive into active learning. Simply reading your notes isn't enough. You need to actively engage with the material. Try to solve a diverse range of problems every single day. Focus on truly understanding the why behind each formula rather than just rote memorization. A fantastic way to check your grasp is to explain a concept out loud to a friend or even to yourself. This process often reveals any gaps in your knowledge. Practice is absolutely crucial for maths exams. Make sure to work through several past exam papers, treating them like the real thing by timing yourself. This helps you manage your time effectively during the actual test. After completing a practice paper, meticulously review every single question you got wrong. Understanding your errors is a powerful learning tool. Also, compiling your own formula sheet can be a great way to consolidate essential information. Finally, let's talk about exam day itself. A good night's rest is non-negotiable. Aim for at least 8 hours of sleep. On the morning of the exam, fuel your brain with a balanced breakfast to keep your energy levels steady. When you receive the exam paper, take a few moments to read all the instructions very carefully. This can prevent simple mistakes and ensure you understand exactly what is being asked of you. Stay calm and confident.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.